All right, Alden, I'm going to
Yes.
just talk a bit about your story here. When you came in to see us some time ago, you were having low back pain, quite
Yes.
severe,
That's right.
and you had peripheral neuropathy in your feet.
Yeah.
Tell us a
Yeah.
bit about how your back and your feet were feeling when you first came in.
So it was like really, really worse. I still remember it. November last year, I
Yep.
started, and it was like every morning when I wake up, my groins like really, really kills me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then I saw your website, so I decided to try the laser therapy. So I haven't tried that before, and it really, really works. After maybe 3 or 4 months, I can like notice a big difference. Yeah, and now after almost a year, like my the tingling sensation that I felt before,
Yep.
like maybe 90% gone.
Awesome. And your
Yeah,
pain levels, you're saying about 80%
yeah,
better at this point?
yeah,
Good.
yeah,
Now, just to be clear, we found two problems. We found you had peripheral neuropathy,
yeah.
and you went through our entire peripheral neuropathy, certified peripheral
Yes,
neuropathy
yeah,
treatment program.
yeah,
But we also found damage in your lower back.
yes.
And Dr. Vinny, one of our amazing chiropractors here in the office, he's been working with your spine and clearing nerve interference,
That's
unwinding
right.
damage. He's a
That's right.
great chiropractor.
Yes.
He's been doing awesome work, and he's been, because of that, we've been doing two programs. The neuropathy took a couple months, but
Yes.
also your spine had so much damage
Yeah.
that we've been spending many months unwinding the damage. So just to be
Yes.
clear, anyone watching here, we did two different programs, and that's why you got such great results.
That's right.
And if you were speaking to someone who has peripheral neuropathy or
Yeah.
has a back problem, what would you recommend the program at LifeWorks?
Yes, yes. Again, the laser therapy, I guess, like it actually helps, and it makes your what you call this your therapy faster, because it actually heals the inside, whatever swelling inside. It minimizes it, right?
Yeah.
And then you do your regular therapy, and I guess that's worked even better compared just the regular therapy.
For sure.
Yeah.
And now that your feet, the numbness and the pain are
Yeah.
90% better, you're telling me you've been playing basketball
Yeah,
and
yeah,
you're having
yeah,
more fun playing
yep,
basketball
yep, yep.
and play, yeah, that's so it's
So that
improving your overall life.
yeah, because before it was like what I said. Every time or every morning when I wake up, it's like, okay, I'm feeling something. So my mentality during those times, like, okay, can I play? Can I do like activities today?
Yeah,
But now it's like, okay, I know I can I can run, I can jump, I can play with other guys. So it's better now. Even the mental state of it,
yeah,
right? Like, cause you're excited doing something instead of, oh, I'm gonna feel something painful. So
yeah.
that I guess that also really, really a big lift in my mental aspect, right? So
Amazing. Well,
yeah,
congratulations on the
yeah.
improvements.
Thanks.
All right.